Here's a quick video to show you how to do a refund. So eBay have paid us we paid eBay £170, but they've also refunded it, or the payment's bounced. So we have in our bills, we have our bill here, stationery, and we've got our payment of 170. So we know that we can reconcile that much. The refunds, what we have to do is find our original bill. We have to go to create a vendor credit. A credit note could be a dummy. Enter the details of the payment when it was made. So this was the 25th of April 2022. So we find the 25th of April 2022. It's going to pull everything out there for us, and we hit save as open. What this will then do is create a credit note on the account, and we can refund this. So when we refund this, we can say it's on the 25th of April 2022. Let's go into our Amex account. And we hit save. So now we can see that it's had the refund. This refund on our bank, we can have a little refresh. And we can see here that we have a vendor credit refund of £170 that we can match.